everyone. I welcome you all to another super video of Let's Unbound Math Kangaroo class. So today we are going to look at a very interesting question that came in Math Kangaroo 2022 exam, that too of 3 marks. So are you excited to solve this question with me? Yes? Let's go. So here is the question. All vehicles in the garage can only drive forward or backward. So basically, they have said no to right and left. Okay, we cannot go right, we cannot move here and there diagonal, right, left. Okay, we can only go forward or backward. The black car wants to leave the garage. What is the minimum number of gray vehicles that need to move at least a little bit, so that this is possible? Okay, so here is a figure with us. Here is the black car which we have to move. It will go straight to go out of this garage. For that, if you will look carefully, only this is the car which is troubling the black car, right? So if we can move this big car, maybe up or down, this black car can go outside. As you will see, this big vehicle is actually occupying 3 boxes. So if we are going to shift it upwards, that means 3 boxes, these 3 boxes will be occupied. And it will not make sense because black car is here and black car has to move from this box. Now let's see if we can move this vehicle down. So if you can see, if we are going to move this vehicle down, it will consume these 3 boxes. And this place will be empty for the black car to move outside. We can do this, right? But we cannot crash the other car. Hence, we have to move this car ahead. And if you can see, this vehicle is also taking 3 boxes, the space of 3 boxes. That means we can adjust this car here. It will be easy. For that, we have to move these 2 cars above, 1 step above. As this is also consuming 3 boxes, so it will go here. And the other small car will go here. And now the positions of each and every car is fine and the black car can go out because that space is actually empty. So what is the answer? What is the minimum number of gray cars that we have moved? Number 1 is this. Number 2 is this. Number 3 is this. And number 4 is this. So in total, we can move 4 cars, 4 vehicles actually, to move that black car out of the garage. So I hope it was interesting question and you like the explanation. If you want more such videos, do let us know. And I will meet you soon in the upcoming video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.